Welcome to a world where ideas take flight, where stories leap off the page and dance before your eyes. Imagine the power to bring your narratives to life with Vyond Animation Mastery. First, understand this. Animation is more than just moving images. It's about crafting a tale, evoking emotions, creating a connection. Think of your favorite animated film or show. What made it special? It wasn't just the visuals, it was the story. That's where Vyond Animation Mastery steps in. This course doesn't just teach you to animate. It guides you to become a storyteller, a puppeteer of pixels, a maestro of motion. Your stories deserve to be told, to be seen, to be felt. And Vyond Animation Mastery will equip you with the skills to create compelling animations that resonate with your audience, whether it's for a business presentation or a personal project. So, are you ready to breathe life into your stories, to captivate, to inspire, to create? Then step into the world of Vyond Animation Mastery. Start your animation journey today. Your audience is waiting.